If you're broke right now, these 5 side hustles can start making you money this week. No experience needed. Hey everyone, if you've been looking for ways to make extra money without special skills, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. First, online surveys, but not the way most people do it. Focus only on high paying surveys and skip the low ones. This can realistically make you around $100 to $200 a month if done properly. Second, rent out things you already own: cameras, bikes, even tools. Platforms allow you to list items for free and people will pay to use them. Third, AI content writing. Use free AI tools to rewrite articles or create simple content for clients. Many beginners are making their first $100 this way. Fourth, pet sitting or dog walking. Apps connect you with pet owners nearby, and you can earn money just by helping out for a few hours. And finally, selling photos online. If you have a smartphone, you can upload photos and earn passive income over time. These are just a few simple ways to start making extra income. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and let me know which one you'll try.